Guys, let's take a quick look at SUI here. Now, SUI on a closing candle basis is almost at its high. Now, we're looking at this on the daily. It needs to close above 208 on the daily to have the highest close that it's ever had. On a weekly time frame, let me put this on a weekly so you can see this. Now, if we were to close this candle on the weekly, say it was Sunday night and it closed and we're now in Monday, that would be the highest weekly close that we've ever seen. So we need to maintain this through the weekend, and that would be definitely very bullish for SUI. And yeah, guys, I do believe SUI is going to be, a really excellent project to hold. I do believe $10 to $12 is in the cards. 15 probably if it's a really good bull run, guys. So yeah, I did pick up some SUI somewhere down here not too long ago, about $1.68 I believe it was. So yeah, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is surging today. It's around 62.9. It is trying to break through this resistance at 63.1. And guys, it does have to break this resistance up here on the top of the bull flag, and that sits about 64.6. So we've been held down by this, top of the bull flag for 7 months now, and you can see it here, guys. We've touched it almost every month except for August, and I do believe we're going to come and touch it sometime this month, probably in the next week or so, I would guess. Now, Bitcoin dominance is up. I'm a little bit surprised to see it so high because I have seen my altcoin bags go up quite a bit today. So it's a little bit surprising to me. I didn't expect it when I looked at it earlier to be this high, but it is. Now, today we did have great PPI numbers. Month over month was 0%. It was expected to be 0.1, but came in under, so that's good to see, guys. So core PPI was as expected. Now, Michigan numbers were a little bit inflated, and yeah, I mean, it can happen, but Michigan numbers are not so important like CPI or PPI, things like this, guys. So anyways, it's still a good economic, data point to really look at, but it didn't really affect anything today, thankfully. And if we look at the interest rate cuts, it looks like 90% believe that there's still going to be a quarter point cut. Now 10% believe there's still that we're still going to maintain our current rate. So we will see. It's still a little bit early to predict this. We're still about 4 weeks out, and we'll take a look at this later, guys, and speculate. But fear and greed is at 32. Yesterday 39. I do believe we're going to probably go up to about 40 again with our little pump today. As you can see, we've had a nice little pump. So yeah, I do believe we will gain some points there on the fear and greed. Now, altcoin season is at 35. If I refresh this, let's see if it's updated. It's still 35. I think we were at 35 yesterday as well. So yeah, we're still leaning towards Bitcoin season, but we are going to get that altcoin season, guys. I feel it soon. So crypto bevels, pretty much everything is in the green. I only see Uniswap down here in the red, although Uniswap had a massive day yesterday, so it's cooling down. Now, if you want to stake your SUI, let's take a look here. Let's write SUI, and you have to go to Coinando. And yeah, guys, you can see here now, Bit2Me, be aware you have to have their coin to get the full percent. So xt.com, you have to stake for 60 days, and there's a limit, 50,000. Bitrue, 4% also. It's flexible though, so yeah, I do recommend flexible over locking, especially at this time in the bull run. You don't want to be locked up when SUI shoots up to $15 and you can't sell it, because you have it locked. So be careful, guys. I think I have my SUI is actually in Binance, and I think I'm doing shorter term time frames for it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, if you like this video about SUI and Bitcoin, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.